Can you get 51%?
So, Rob, that is obviously the biggest challenge. I mean, we believe that if you look at DA strongholds, where in the last election we could only get between 55 and 65% of our strongholds to turn out on election day. We believe that if we excite them enough and communicate our plans for Nelson Mandela Bay, that there will be a far better turnout. If we can get 80% of our DA supporters out in DA strongholds, we can get an outright majority. It's our fault for not convincing enough voters that we can win Nelson Mandela Bay with an outright majority, and that we've got a plan, and that we can turn around this wonderful city that really is this amazing place to live, one of the most affordable places in South Africa to live, and it's got a quality lifestyle to offer. But of course, there must always be a plan B. And plan B is that if we don't get 51%, which is what we are campaigning for, that we can put a coalition together. But then, it needs to be a small coalition, a coalition of 2 or 3 parties.